How is the economy impacting the Lincoln Park housing market? If that is a question that has been on your mind at all, or maybe for the first time ever right now, either way, you're in luck because that is exactly what I'm about to get into right now. Hi, my name is Jake Lyons, realtor right here in Chicago with Avg Properties, bringing you well-informed, data-driven content as always. So let's go ahead and get right into what is going on in the Lincoln Park neighborhood. So the single family median sales price in October, the most recent data that we have heading into November, obviously, and this is across all houses, townhouses, and condos, was $545,000. That is down quite a bit from $640,000 that it was in September, but this is also normal, as month to month is normal for these areas to fluctuate, and also we're getting towards the end of the year when prices can tend to be even a little more volatile and be a little lower on average or even the median, but we're only down a little less than 1% in Lincoln Park year over year, and that's following 4 straight months, actually 5 of the last 6 of the last 7, something like that, months that were in high double digits, like high teens, double digits increase year over year. So overall, at least from a price perspective, nothing to worry about as far as I see in the Lincoln Park area on the whole. It took a median of 14 days from listing to contract for a property to accept an offer. This was very consistent from what it's been for the last several months, if not several years. And the month's supply, so that's the number that we use to determine if this is considered a buyer's market or a seller's market, is at 1.9, which is considered a seller's market because it's less than 3. From 4 to 6 is a neutral market, which doesn't benefit, theoretically it shouldn't benefit really either buyer or seller, and then anything from 7 and above, give or take, is considered a buyer's market, where because there's all this inventory on the market, 7 months worth of it, theoretically that would benefit the buyers for having more choices. But we are in a seller's market where we have been for a very long time, and unless more people start selling houses, we will continue to be in for the foreseeable future. What is a big difference in what's going on in this area and pretty much every area is the overall volume. The number of participants in the market is way down. So the number of new listings year over year is down 37, almost 38% from October of last year, while the number of new contracts is down almost 45% year over year. So while the loss of demand is outpacing the loss of supply by a little bit, and maybe that little alpha right there might be enough to start impacting prices, for us to see the real price movements that everyone keeps talking about, we need to see a dramatic increase of supply. That's how that really happens. The decrease in demand has to far outpace what's going on the supply side if we're going to really have these alleviation of high prices that people seem to think that we're going to get. What do you think is going to happen in the Lincoln Park housing market in the months, years, weeks ahead? Leave it in the comment. I want to know. All right, thanks. That's my time. Again, my name is Jake Lyons, realtor with Avg Properties. I hope you got some value out of that. If you did, please give me a like, a thumbs up, a subscribe, a follow, whatever the case may be. And I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.